No. We're gonna go and debunk all of this noise that's going on today, guys. Alright, what is up, everybody? So I woke up this morning and I saw the absolute shit show that is going on. So before any of you guys who watch every video start to panic and you start to think what the hell is going on, we're just going to debunk everything. A lot of you guys would have seen already that there's a new AI app that is leading the ranks on the App Store. And that's going to be DeepSeek, guys. Okay, it's like the Chinese ChatGPT. Now, for all of you who haven't seen what's been going on, basically what they're claiming is that they've created a new AI app that needs a fraction of the chips that other LLMs need to be learning, guys, and to be developing. So they're basically saying Nvidia is no more and we don't really need to be buying these Nvidia chips. People are now panicking, thinking that Nvidia stock is a bubble, it's going to crash, and then now they're going to be leaving their risk off assets. A lot of our AI portfolio has seen like a lot of panic selling, a lot of doom and gloom. But is it panic selling, or are they trying to shake us out? Now, I'm not getting too political. This is like my opinion and this is my experience, guys. Okay, I've worked with Chinese companies. And before we get into what I think, I mean, billionaire and scale AI CEO Alexander Wang says that DeepSeek has about 50,000 Nvidia chips that they can't talk about because of the export controls. Even our boy Muskie here is like, well, clearly. But they're claiming that they're so far ahead and they're so advanced that they don't need anything and that they're well ahead of all of these American companies. They may well be, but I've worked with multiple Chinese companies over the years, guys. Like over the past 5 years, I've worked with many. Main takeaway: they fabricate data like there's no tomorrow. You go to a new company, you think maybe they're not going to try and like fake stats. They do it, guys. Okay, so this is just like my experience. Okay, I'm not trying to get at Chinese people or Chinese companies. It's just my experience. So when I see things come out like this and they're saying that we're so advanced and we don't even need like a fraction of the Nvidia chips, I just think, guys, you bought everything. Another thing to think about. So is this a black swan? Is it? I don't know, but explain this. The US was considering a ban on TikTok because of the spyware, but now everybody is downloading a Chinese AI app. That makes no sense. I had to even go on the App Store today to see if it was ranked 1, and it was. I was thinking, there's no way people are going onto this app and downloading it with like on day 1 of this thing just popping out of nowhere. Okay, that is insane work to me. If you've done it, let me know your experiences with it, guys. But you know, personally, I'm not touching that stuff, guys, and you need to be careful with what you do download onto your phone. I view it the same way as clicking links that I'm not too sure about, guys. So just be careful about that, because that is insane to me that people are now just forgetting about all of this other like narrative of Chinese people stealing your information, and now they're downloading an AI app which could be 1,000x more dangerous. And is today the day to get overly emotional and make terrible life-altering decisions? I don't think so, guys. Now I'm going to show you the members club, guys, okay, because you guys need to see this, right? This is why myself and the members are not panicking, and we actually were ready for this dip. Now, I can't share everything with you guys on the channel. I can't tell you every play that we're getting into, guys. I'm sorry, I can't. But on the 7th of Jan, we were preparing for a breakdown, okay? And we actually added some shorts. On the 8th of Jan, we should expect 3K for ETH now. The 9th of Jan, another day close to the demand zone. ETH longer term longs will be picked up here with leverage. It will be max fear in the 3K and below. It goes all the way to like 2.75K ish, okay? And now we come to our ETH chart live and direct on Binance, guys. Entry 1, entry 2, we're in a profit. I actually told the guys here earlier today that I shaved 50% off this short, because with 10x leverage just from entry 1, guys, all the way down to here, we're up 100%. So a quick double up on the bag, pretty easily. I've got another 50% to ride down into like 2.7K. Look at the longer term bullish chart. So yeah, we play the short term, we also play the long term. Okay, look, macro head and shoulders, massive falling wedge breakout, could come lower. That's absolutely fine. We've got the 100 MA at 2.7K there as well, going into a historically green month next month. It would make sense at the end of January, they try and shake you out. If you guys want to come join the community, 50% off. People are still able to make gains all the time. Now, it's going to be interesting because I posted this on the 21st, so exactly a week ago, and I said there's major ETH liquidations at 3k that everybody is ignoring that will bring down our altcoins as well. Now, guess what? We took out those ETH liquidations, which is fantastic. Everybody was saying, oh, above overhead liquidity. It's great to get the lower liquidity first, then we can deal with that. People are now going to stack shorts like a absolute bot. Then they're going to get wiped out again. I hope it's not you stacking shorts like a bot right now. I hope that you do take advantage of this opportunity. Why do I not think it's the top yet, guys? Now, it's not only what is smart money doing, but you really got to check where the majority of the money that is coming to the market is going at the moment, right? Where are the inflows? Where are the outflows? Look at the total Bitcoin spot ETF inflows versus outflows over the past year. Well, this is all time, right? So from when it went live. And guys, look, still inflows, okay? Barely any outflows. I imagine near a top, you're going to see a majority of outflows, or you're going to see this be completely flipped over. This is something that I'm keeping such a close eye on, guys. And all of you should too as well. When the ETF outflows start to pile in, best believe we're most likely near a top, or we probably already would have hit the top, and we would be having that massive washout, guys. Now, are you crying over your £100 bag that is now £70? You let me know, because I don't think people like World Liberty Finance do really care about a 10% dip, even though it meant for them a $20 million price change. A 5% move was like a $10 million price change. Yeah, yesterday's was 390 million. Insane. Okay, so what they do is they stay buying. Why is the price of ETH not going up? Because they don't buy directly on exchanges, guys. Okay, they do OTC transactions, which sometimes can lag in the price. Once there is that supply shock on exchanges, you're going to start to see the price reflect in the price of ETH and probably Bitcoin, some of your altcoins as well. But they're loading up in silence, guys, okay? They loaded up a majority of their bag, pretty much like 90% of their bag last week. So while the alts don't look great, while there's FUD, while people are calling this a black swan, while people are saying ETH is never doing anything, I mean, is Vitalik going to be making those fees $1? I was seeing a lot of rumors and speculation saying he's going to try and get ETH fees to $1. And even in like the heat of the bull run, fees are no longer going to be like 200 for a swap. It should be reasonable. We'll see if he can follow through with that. But in the total 3, we're still ranging, guys. We're still printing higher lows, which is great. Hopefully we print a higher low maybe for the next sort of month or so and then have a breakout. We're going to find out. But even if we do have a longer bleed, this was similar to what Bitcoin was in, remember? And we chop. Probably by the time we get to around here, everybody is just doom and gloom posting, bear posting, the tops in before a breakout of a massive flag. Where is the target for our altcoins, guys? Well, if this really is a bull flag, and we're going to break out maybe sometime around here, 1.6 trillion, as we've said about 1,000 times on the channel, guys. Ignore the black swan FUD. We have to see how this week does unfold. For now, what am I doing? I'm taking profit from my ETH short. I rolled it over into ETH spot. I'm going to look for some more altcoins to be picking up in the members club. If you want to join, 50% off until we do start the bull run. If you made it this far, let me know how you're feeling about the market in the comments section. Support my journey to 15k subs by subscribing. I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace.